Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid any hassle. Start by turning off your MSI MS17G1 and unplugging all cables. Place the laptop on a flat, clean surface to avoid any scratches during the process. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery lock and pulling the battery out. This is a crucial step to ensure your safety while working on the internal components. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the RAM slots clearly. If you're upgrading the memory, gently push the clips on either side of the existing RAM to release it. If you're installing new RAM, align it with the slot at a 30-degree angle, then press down until you hear a click. Make sure the RAM is securely in place. Remember to check the specifications of the new RAM to ensure compatibility. After the memory upgrade, it's time for internal cleaning. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the cooling fans and vents. This helps improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Be careful not to let the fan blades spin while cleaning, as this could potentially damage them. If you don't have a can of compressed air, we can assist with professional diagnosis without obligation to help you get the right tools. Next, take a soft brush or a microfiber cloth to gently clean the surfaces inside the laptop. This will help remove any lingering dust particles. Avoid using any liquids as they may damage the components. Make sure to clean around the RAM slots and any other accessible areas. Once you've completed the cleaning, carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it snap into place. Reinsert all the screws in their respective holes, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened to avoid stripping. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug in your laptop. Power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you face any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront without any surprise charges. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded the memory and cleaned your MSI MS17G1 laptop. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.